Hello and welcome to SIGGRAPH 2018. Thanks for tuning in to Post Perspective TV. We're here with Andrew Sinagra of NIM Labs.
Hello.
Hi, thank you for being with us, Andrew.
Happy to be here.
Did I say your last name right?
You did.
Okay. We're off to a bang-up start.
Yep.
Now, have you done any pre-show? Have you been at the conference at all, or did you just get in?
We've been here since Sunday. We've been talking with a lot of people. We've had a lot of meetings showing off some of our new features, so it's been pretty exciting so far.
Excellent. Do you want to tell the nice people who couldn't be here what those new features are?
Sure.
NIM 3.0?
NIM 3.0, so that's coming out later this year, but we're showing a preview of what we've got coming. Most specifically is the new connector for Premiere. So connectors are integrations with our third-party applications. So currently we support Photoshop, After Effects as far as the Adobe products, but also 3D applications such as Maya, Houdini, 3ds Max, Nuke Studio, Flame. It keeps going on.
Right.
So Premiere is our latest integration, and we wanted to bring the capabilities in Premiere in line with what we're doing with Flame and Nuke Studio, so that we can actually provide more of almost like a conform round-tripping support for the visual effects pipeline.
Right.
The other thing that we've also are showing at the show is our new review tools.
Okay, great.
So our new review system is completely rewritten from the ground up. Our workflow in prior releases was more of the supervisor-artist relationship, the internal review, and we've actually elevated all those tools now. You can actually work directly at your dashboard at the top level of a job before it's awarded, all the way down to after you have tasks assigned. We actually have also incorporated support for PDFs directly and still images. So now you can not only review video content, but storyboards, what have you. You can upload that directly to your job, whiteboard on that, make your annotations, and share that with your team.
Fantastic. And how would you, if you were just describing somebody who wasn't familiar with what you guys do, because you look at things more from a platform level.
Exactly, that's why we call it studio management and not project management.
Studio, not project.
Yeah, we're dealing with everything from time cards, bidding, scheduling, job actualization, all the way through your task assignment, task scheduling, your creative review. So really the idea is that you have all of your information in a central location.
Holistic.
And exactly, it's that holistic view, so you can see that information in real time, so your producers are informed, your studio owners are informed, and your artists are informed, all simultaneously in a visual manner.
Right. And do you want to toss out your URL so people can find out more information if they want it?
Absolutely. We're at nim-labs.com.
Oh, I'm glad I asked.
Yeah.
nim-labs.com.
Yes.
All right. Well, Andrew, thank you for being here with us today.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it. I know it's a busy show for you guys.
Yeah.
And that's us signing out from SIGGRAPH 2018. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.